మీ మఠం
Huh?
టెంపుల్ చేశారు మీరు.
Kodanda Ramalayam. I am at Kodanda Ramalayam, which has about 70 acres of land under it. This is in Shamshabad. As you can see, the land, the temple land, has been given off supposedly on lease over here, and we are being told by the locals that endowments has given this on lease, whereas they were supposed to be on a 3-year lease. It was to be a 3-year lease. They actually have given it on a 12-year lease. It is believed that the government and everybody else is involved. Very big leaders are involved. Totally, the land was 70 acres of land, which has now been sold off. This is 70 acres of temple land. As you can see, commercial sheds have been built here. Commercial concrete work is going on. Okay, this is all for private use. This is happening right under our eyes. This is happening right under our nose. This is the status of Hindus. This is the status of the endowments department in this state of Telangana. As you can see, there are big concrete permanent structures having been built here. Supposedly for 3 years this was to have been given on lease. First of all, can endowments department give temple land on lease for commercial activities? And then, suppose if they can, the next question to ask is, how did they allow permanent constructions happening here? This is temple property and there is absolute looting going on of this property. There is another area that I must show you, which has been segregated, from the temple land, and there is this area also that has been occupied. This was all part of the Kodanda Ramalayam in Shamshabad on the main road. 70 acres of temple land, of which about 10 acres seem to have been given away for permanent commercial structures, sold off. Okay, 12 years lease. Nobody has a right to sign 12 years lease, not the endowments. This is temple land. They have no right to give this to anybody. Apart from that, outside the temple there is a mess, a hotel being run within the temple premises, run by Christians, money going to the endowments department. That is the status of this. If Hindus don't rise and protect this temple, demand that the land